Hi, I'm Debbie, and this is
Drew.
my son. We have another helper too. I'm not sure when he's gonna say hi. You never know. Okay, so hard to believe, but today is 30 days of 30. I'm actually really amazed that I made it through 30 days, and I did a YouTube video every day. I've not had sugar in 30 days. Another miracle. Yeah, total miracle. I had a lot of Diet Coke, but no, no sugar. Okay, so we're going to have for breakfast a banana and yogurt. We're gonna have salad for lunch with turkey. We're going to have chicken stir fry. We're gonna make that for the demo today. And then we're gonna have pickles, cheese, cherry tomatoes, and nuts, almonds for the snacks. Okay? Super simple today. I hope I put it here so I don't forget. Sometimes I forget. So this is the Tupperware frying pan, non-stick. Non-stick. So you don't have to put oil in it or anything. Sometimes I put oil to season it a little, but this has. Did you say hi, Hakia? Say hi. Hi. He's helping today. We'll see if Nahaku comes to disrupt us, huh? Maybe not. Yeah. No, maybe not. Probably. Okay, so the first thing, since cooking the chicken is the one that takes a little bit longer, we will put, this is 2 chicken thighs cut up. That was easy, huh? Okay, so that's the chicken. And we're going to try and fry that. Yeah, he'll help fry that. Fry. Yeah, that's how we're going to cook it. You just dump it in and we'll cook it. Sounds good. Banana. There's no other starchy item today. So we're going to have a starchy, for our fruit, it's going to be the starchy item. The one banana, one potato, one starchy item. And then the 000, this is the berry yogurt.
Dannon. It's Dannon.
Dannon. I don't have my glasses on. so it's berry yogurt. 0 added sugar, 0 added fat, 0 everything. 000. So that's for breakfast, the banana and the yogurt. But we can't have any but other potatoes today. No other potatoes. You want a potato? You can have as many potatoes as you want. Look how skinny you are. Yeah, that's my grandma. Okay, so then we're going to have a tossed salad. And we have our pre-made salads that I made a whole bunch of. You like salad? And then we're going to put turkey in a container to go with it for lunch. That way, if I decide to go out to eat,
take the whole thing.
Yeah, take the whole thing, almost. If I want to go out for lunch, I can just grab my salad and my turkey. And it's a vent and serve, so it can go in the freezer and microwave, but not for turkey. Right? Not for turkey. Is that cooking good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks delicious.
That is for the stir fry. And then we're going to have, for a snack, are you going to help me measure the almonds? Yeah. These are the really all natural whole almonds. So it's really good because with the mandolin, the mini mandolin, you can just make slivered almonds, make any kind of almonds you want. Make sure you get a whole quarter of a cup for grandma. Yeah. Thank you. I kept saying nuts, 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 but most of the days I switched to different. Yes. Most of the days I put different kinds of nuts. So cashews, almonds, mixed nuts, walnuts. That's why I've been showing the different kinds of nuts now.
So what's your favorite?
Mine is cashew nuts.
Not pistachios?
No, cashew. And I have to make sure that I get the container, and the day I bring it home, I measure it out into all the snack cups.
Mm-hmm.
Because if not, I'll start eating all of them.
Uh-oh.
You like these ones? Yeah. He pretty much likes everything I cook up here. Yeah. Then we were going to put my favorite, and I have another container of cherry tomatoes. Yeah, you don't like cherry tomatoes. I have another thing of cherry tomatoes downstairs. I know, I love cherry tomatoes. That's the whole thing. That's the whole thing. But I have another container downstairs. And then we're going to have a pickle. When have I ever cut you? Right? Don't cut me, don't cut me. When has Grandma ever cut you? I actually went to the store the other day to buy sliced pickles, and they ran out. So I think I'm buying all of them. And they sold out. Yeah, I think that one's like, like the part.
Do you save the pickle juice?
My pickle. No. Take cheese. Did you want a piece of cheese?
This is getting close to being cooked. When do you want to add in the other ingredients?
You can put in these are the frozen stir fry vegetables. You can buy them in a big bag, and it comes with the sauce. So you can dump that in now. And you can put the sauce in. It'll keep the sauce in. Now when Drew goes back to New York, he'll know how to make chicken stir fry. Very difficult. You buy a bag of frozen stir fry vegetables. But is it important that you learn how to make it?
I have my own recipe.
But it's important to teach our kids easy food to make so that they don't feel like they have to come home and cook slice up 6 different vegetables and make a stir fry, and they don't have time, and then they just stop at McDonald's instead. Is that good cheese? Yeah.
It happens.
Huh?
It happens.
It happens, yeah. So, don't choke, okay? Don't choke. Okay, so we have our breakfast, yogurt, banana. Lunch is salad and turkey. Snacks look good. Cherries, pickles, and cheese. I still can't believe it's 30 days. It's like took forever and it went by fast. Yeah.
It's a lot of days.
A lot of days. That's a lot of videos.
The whole month.
The whole month, yeah. So, while he's finishing that, my plan is, of course, I'm not at my goal weight. Doesn't that look good? I'm not at the weight I need to be. But I can't do videos every day. I think I'll go nuts. So what I plan on doing to hold myself accountable is to do a weekly update. And then I'll try and find a new recipe to try that fits into my diet plan. Using Tupperware, of course, because that's the easiest way to cook all your food.
It's the best way to cook all your food.
Yeah, because look, it doesn't stick at all. You don't need oil or anything. The microwave stuff is awesome. So I will be doing a day 31 video just to recap how the month went, what I didn't like,
Why you wet?
I'm sweaty. I'm hot, I'm sweaty. I have the air conditioner blasting. I'm trying to act like I'm not sweaty and hot. But thank you for letting everybody know. So tomorrow I will have the total amount of weight that I lost, total amount of inches, some accomplishments that I'm happy about, and then my plan for the rest of week 5, and my goals for week 6. See how that goes. Okay? You've been a good helper for 30 days. Quite a few days you're a big helper. Thank you. Okay, so I think this is done. It looks really good, right? So you can put it in this vent and serve.
How do you turn this on?
Because it's a induction stove,
Uh-huh.
you can put your hand, it's not hot,
Oh my god,
because it turns off right away.
that's scary.
But I love it because if the kids are up here helping me,
They won't get burned.
they won't get burned. Which to me is a lot of most, if not everything, in Tupperware is made so that the kids can help you and they won't get hurt, and they can learn how to. You can just remove it.
Just on the skillet.
They won't get hurt, and then they get the benefit of helping you cook in the kitchen. Chop and prep, the Power Chef. Okay, that's good. That's perfect. Okay, doesn't that look good? Yummy?
Yum.
Yummy? You can help eat some of that for grandma.
Yes.
Kind of a lot. Okay, thank you, Drew, for being here all the way from New York to celebrate my 30 days.
That's all I came here for.
Yeah. And yeah, for being such a good helper. You gonna do another dance for them?
Okay.
Okay. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh wait, are you gonna say bye? You gonna say hi to Haku? Nope.
No, you're too late.
Too late. Too sad. Goodbye.